Today I'm going to show you this electric rechargeable 2-pump SUP pump, which I got from the seller to show you. Looks already really nice outside. So let's see what I got here. And of course, after that, I'm going to show you how it works in real life to inflate a full-size stand-up paddleboard. You get these quick instructions manual together with the full-size instructions, set of O-rings and of SUP adapters. And by the way, they can be nicely stacked together. You can see absolutely awesome, easy to store. Of course, comes also with the inflation hose, comes with a modern USB-C to C charging cable. And of course, with this nozzle set, we can inflate a lot of different items, not only SUPs, but also inflatable boats, inflating beds, toys, inflatable tents. But of course, it's not possible to inflate car tires or so because it would need higher pressure. And then of course, we get this beautiful 2-pump inflation pump, which is very, very easy to use. Actually, don't need an instructions manual. We just long press here. And then you can see, comes with a really nice display, can easily see that even here with the sunglasses. We have two different modes. We have the starting mode, the low pressure mode and the high pressure mode. And when we long press, we can even switch between bar and PSI. And because it has an automatic shut-off function, we can adjust the pressure here easily with a short press or even with a long press. I think the lowest is 0.4 PSI. And the highest, of course, 20 PSI, of course, with a shut-off. Here in the front, also the nicely protected USB-C port. And it comes with a really solid housing here, really solid build. And the weight is super light. I think only 1.1 kilograms, something like that. Super, super lightweight. By the way, the standard SUP adapter is already attached here. So I can easily push it here inside, rotate it, secure it easily. And of course, we also have inflation, deflation, depending on where we add the hose. When I hold it like that, inflating is on the left side. Easy to add the hose here. Double checking the target pressure. The large charge here inside is supposed to last for 3 full-size stand-up paddleboards up to 12 PSI, and it's supposed to inflate one in only 5 minutes. By the way, with a short press, we can switch between the automatic mode, the low power mode and the high power mode. So I'm using the automatic mode where it automatically is switching from low power mode to high power mode. And so double checking the pressure and so starting it here. And you can hear it's not even loud, actually pretty quiet for an SUP pump. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, I can see that the intake is here, of course, so make sure that you're not blocking that. So I put this here on the side and just watching how this works here, and we can definitely see that it starts to inflate now with the high volume, low pressure mode. I hope you can see that nice and slowly. Of course, also stopping the time here to see how long it really takes. And so it didn't take very long, and it's already fully inflated, but of course we do not have the full pressure, so it's probably soon switching to the high power mode. Yeah, that happened already. Go a little bit further away, otherwise you can't understand me. Now it's in the high power mode and fully inflating to the target pressure. And so let's check after about 2 minutes. We are already at the whopping 6.2 PSI, I would say about halfway through. Yeah, and so we are approaching the 12 PSI, holding this here. I don't know if you can understand or if you have been able to understand me. It has stopped now, and let's check the time, 5:20. Maybe I started a little bit late. Maybe it was 5:40, something like that, but definitely not any longer. You can see the size of the SUP, so definitely delivered exactly what we wanted. So looks like this 2-pump, a real reliable product. We can see it has 3 out of 5 bars. And I didn't charge it after it has been delivered to me, so probably it was not fully charged. So I have no doubt that we can inflate up to 3 full-size paddle boards with 1 charge. But now let's see if we can also use it to deflate. Okay, so we remove the hose from here, attach it here, and attach it again to the SUP. and already without doing anything, it's nicely deflating because it has so much pressure here inside. So leave it a little bit like that till the high pressure is gone. And now I can turn it on again, switching now to the low mode, which I think is the high volume mode, moving up to 400 liters per minute. And so I start this here. Okay, yeah, that's definitely the case. And so I can leave it here like that. And you can see how nicely the size is shrinking. Absolutely amazing, exactly what I wanted. And so you can see it's pretty much completely empty. Took only about 1 minute or so and all the air is out. And I could fold it, take it home. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, again, so this TOPUMP has delivered again. I mean, it's not my first TOPUMP. All of them have actually perfectly delivered. Proof that we have a really solid, really reliable brand here. Not only setting high claims, but really delivering solid. And so for interest, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this TOPUMP, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.